Hello beautiful souls, it's me Tavinda. Welcome to this enchanting corner of creativity where I share my passion. And today I will give you a tutorial of a customized wedding canvas. It was an order, by the way. Well, without any further delay, let's dive into it. And let me tell you one more thing, this canvas is also handmade. Starting with some measurement, then taking a paper heart for tracing on the canvas, in which I will write a verse which is like وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا, doing details very carefully so that there will be no mistake, and I was having fun making this. So now I will write the meaning of the verse in English below, which will and we created you in pairs, slightly adding inverted commas. And now let's write the couple name. So here the groom name is Zed and the bride's name is Fatima. So firstly I'm writing Zed in Arabic. After writing the name of the groom, I will write the name of the bride. Let's move towards the bride name. So it will like this, and you know what, it took me almost 5 hours to complete, adding more details in the name to make it accurate. And after writing their names, I'll make an adorable heart in the middle with the help of a paper. Here I'm using a paper because I don't want any mistake. Okay, now let's write the date. On the date it got married, so it's 13 December 2022. After I have done the pencil work, let's move to the paint. Here I'm using black color to fill in, and will fill the whole work with black except the heart, which I will paint golden. And for me this part is the best cause it's so satisfying to do, taking the shot from the lower angle. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for all the love-filled content coming your way. Until I'm doing this, go and press the bell icon as well, and do like, share, comment. Here I share my passion, art and craft, which I love to do, as you can see. Well, after completing the work with black color, now I am moving on to the golden color. After painting the heart, now making strokes on the canvas. And here it ends. Thank you for joining me here. Until next time, may your days be filled with beauty and inspiration. Bye bye.